2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee, 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee Limited, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Dodge brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee, 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee Limited, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee, 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee Limited, new cars by. You could genuinely feel mistaken for the actual 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee since the title is not indeed recognized right now, yet it is a brand new version that Dodge produced, being a lot more very competitive on the marketplace, loaded with pickup trucks and sports utility vehicles. Nevertheless, the label will not be really the only new about this vehicle. It shows a complete alteration of producing of pickups, such as specific resources along with some form of aerodynamics, for much better fuel economy in addition to engine shows. To get much more competing, creative designers manufactured the automobile acceptably vast for people and adorable and contemporary for modern-day younger customers, as well. 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee redesign. Exterior design. In the event the 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee strikes the current market, in fact, it is going to appear with a myriad of changes to the exterior. The front side fender along with the front side grille will number SRT together with supercharged spots. Other sorts of exterior cues incorporate remodeled entrance fender and recently developed fog lighting fixtures. It can drive on freshly made rims. It will most likely be some 22 so that you can 24 products, just like the versions on new SRT goods. The actual A-pillars will probably be completed within the very same flat finish off as being the B-pillars. Mattress steel with might is supplied as regular. Your Dodge Ram Rumblebee 2017 is going to be smaller than its precursor. Due to all these changes, your vehicle could have an even more menacing physical appearance. Interior design. Points inside the cabin are going to be drastically transformed also. Information regarding the interior will still be saved in that vault, although we know that it will likely be anything at all but typical. The seating might be intensely bolstered, secure, and encouraging. Relating to components, they are covered with the greatest supplies like leather material together with Alcantara shoe inserts. Across the cabin, anticipate seeing a great deal of CO2 fiber content decorations. The controls include toned bass therapy. Assume a natural leather or Alcantara twisted model. Typically the ZF8 rate a circular transmission is likely to make alone in your house around the dash. About gear, count on everything from the most recent modern technology which includes an 8.4 display screen along with the unconnect method, enhanced stereo system, yet others. 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee engine. For all the particulars speak that Ford's modern turbocharged motors acquire, the reality is that almost all of our drivers like the traditional V6 and even V8 fashion motors they are able to rely on. The legend of Ford's present is really a 3.5L turbocharged V6, and although their 375 HP is definitely outstanding, it falters versus the Ram's 5.7L Hemi V8. Who want to maximum out the truck's energy ought to consider a Ram, with as much as 395 HP plus 420 lb-ft in a torque about the 5.7L V8. Performance is not about strength, even though, and lots of testers also have lauded the Ram's relaxed and calm trip in spite of its tremendous functionality. 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee release date and price. As outlined by all we noticed, our company is confident that the 2019 Dodge Ram Rumblebee will probably draw in consumers and stay in the marketplace for many years. Even so, if you are searching for it, typically the price from $30,000 for constant design noise is perfect for the big truck mainly because rampage is undoubted. Discharging time will probably be at the start of the coming year. Thanks.